In this video, you will add transitions and animations to create visual effects in your presentation. Transitions are visual effects that play between slides as you move through your presentation. This makes your presentation more visually interesting for your audience as you move from slide to slide. Animations are visual effects on a single slide. Animations make objects like text, images, and shapes move across the slide one by one to make your presentation unique and dynamic. Using animations also allows you to introduce text and other elements gradually, rather than all at once. That way your audience can focus on one point at a time as you present. To start, select your first slide. Add a transition to the slide and adjust the speed. Test the transition by selecting play. To edit the transition, select stop. Experiment with different transitions to make your presentation more interesting. Create new transitions for every slide, or use the same transition for every slide in the presentation. Using all the same transitions across your project will make the presentation appear more unified and coherent. Next, choose an object in your presentation to animate, like a text box. Add an animation to your object. Arrange the animation so that each item appears by paragraph to show different lines of the text each time you click. Set the animation to play when you click the mouse or press a button on the keyboard, or select after previous to make the animation run automatically. Finally, preview your presentation in presenter view to see your transitions and animations in action. Now, it's your turn. Add a transition between two slides, apply your transition to all slides, add animation to one slide, and preview your presentation.